Hello everyone, I am Solomon Joseph Alitagtag, now reporting about Pugad Baboy. These are the things that you will learn today about the Pugad Baboy. The Pugad Baboy history. Why is it famous? An example of a Pugad Baboy ad. The Pugad Baboy characters. Its main reason why it was made. This is the flow of the presentation. The history and facts. Reason of fame. Characters. Why it was made. Sources and acknowledgements. History and facts. Its author is Apolonio Paul Medina Jr. The first comic strip drawn on 1986. His pet dog was his inspiration. It is about obese people in a Manila community. Currently he has 21 Pugad Baboy compilations. Inks and politics are not counted. Why is it famous? It shows the reality of the Filipino life. It is politically informative. It is created by a Filipino, and it is very creative. An advertisement of Pugad Baboy. This is an advertisement on Quake product.
Quake Overload! Ang heavyweight choco frosted cake na hahabol-habulin mo!
This, I am now going to show you the Pugad Baboy characters. Each character reflects on the levels of our country. Most of the characters are fat. Now I'm going to show you the Sungkals. Adugulfo Sungkal Jr. is the breadwinner of the family. He is a chef of a 5-star hotel. He is the reflection of the author's liking for martial arts. He is also called the Ghoul. Debra Sungkal, wife of the Ghoul, a loving traditional housewife and a mother. She reflects on the true Filipino wives. She is also called Debbie. Hercules Sungkal, the eldest son of the family. He is a building engineer in Saudi Arabia. He reflects the former occupation of the author. He was named after the Lockheed C-130 Hercules aircraft and not the Greek Hercules. He is also called Kulis. Christina Sungkal, the teenage daughter of the family. She fails in cooking. She is also called Tiny. Adagulfo Sungkal III, the youngest son of the family. He is intelligent and musically inclined. He is also called Utoy. Ambrosia Tangara, maid of the family. Brainless, she insults the girls and the others, also called Brosia. Polgas, the dog of the family. He can talk and behave like a human. He is the main character of the compilations. He is a mongrel. The Sabay Bunots. Sergeant Thomas Sabay Bunot. He represents the Philippines military branch. He is trigger happy. He is also called Tomas. Barbara Q. Sabay Bunot. Thomas' wife. She is a feminist. She orders Thomas around, also called Barbie. Paul Thomas Sabay Bunot, the only son of the family. He is mischievous and he represents a typical Filipino child, also called Paltik. The Lawons. Roberto Lawon, he is a true blue hippie, lazy and employed. He tries to court Tiny, but he never gets tiny. Also called Bob. Joan Helena Lamont. She is Bob's younger sister. She is more intelligent than her brother, and she is the girlfriend of Utoy. She is also called Jolene. Cecilia Lamont, the single mother of the family. She despises Bob's smoking vice. She dotes on Jolene's achievements. She is also called Tita Cel. The Tangeres. Nolasco M. Tanger, resident communist. He is a proud member of the NPA. He is friends with Tomas. He is also called Canoli. Jose Maria Tanger, Canoli's son. Aware of his father's beliefs, he hangs out with Utoy and Paltik. He is also called Joma. The Tangs. Mauricio Tang, resident Chinese Filipino. He owns a salsa store in Pugad Baboy. He likes business since he is half Chinese. He is also called Mao. Paulina Tang, the resident homosexual. He is Mao's son. He owns a beauty parlor and works his way through college at the same time. Also called Pao. The other characters. Benigno Ramos, called Igno. He's an ex-convict and Tomas' cousin. Joeboy Yabe. Joeboy, resident mechanic. Amado Pascala, called Tata Mads. He is the resident musician of the village. Miguel Sebo, MD, also called Doc Sebo, is the resident physician of the community. The other characters, Cesar Butch Tangara, also called Aldre. He is Brosia's brother and Kulis' friend in Saudi. Eusebiano Batos, also called Mr. Batos, resident teacher of Utoy, Baltic, Chama, and the others. PFC Romeo Durugas, Patrolman Durugas, a corrupt officer. Senator Usurpo Cabalfin, also called Senator Cabalfin. He's a corrupt senator. The other characters are not shown due to the lack of time. What is the reason why it is made? Actually, there is no specific reason. It's just a bored man's creation, cultivated by the continuous publishing, and it was inspired by the author's dog in Saudi. Additional facts. Pugad Baboy was first seen in the Philippine Daily Inquirer. Paul Medina Jr. made over 25 kinds of Pugad Baboy compilations, graphic novels, and magazines recently. Pugad Baboy has some merchandise such as dog-style apparel and Polgas figurines. PBS tried as a live-action series but failed in showing it nationwide. This is the only source that we used for presenting you the information about Pugad Baboy. I would like to thank Google for the pictures, some friends for additional information, and all of the Pugad Baboy books used for related terms and stories. Thank you very much.